Welcome to the lesson on mean. We'll be able to define mean of grouped data, calculate mean of grouped data using direct method, assume mean method and step deviation method. Stand by mean of grouped data.
Mean of data is nothing but an average of given data.
Exactly. Mean of grouped data can be calculated by three methods: direct method, assumed mean method, and step deviation method. Marks obtained by students in maths subject can be written in tabular form as shown. Here, marks obtained are written in first row and number of students is written in second row. To find the mean, we have to follow certain steps. Step 1 is to write the ungrouped data into grouped data by forming class intervals of width 15. Step 2 is to find the class mark. Class limit is calculated as upper class limit plus lower class limit divided by 2. Class mark for first class interval is calculated as 17.5. Similarly, other class marks can also be calculated. Step 3 is to get Fi Xi multiplying second and third column. Summation Fi Xi is calculated as 1860. Summation Fi is 30. Fourth step is to calculate the mean of grouped data by formula summation Fi Xi upon summation Fi. This method of finding mean is known as direct method. Using direct method, we have to do many calculations. In order to get rid of such calculations, assumed mean method is used. Calculations up to class mark remain same. In this method, we choose one value among the xi as assumed mean and denote it by A. Here, we select A as 47.5. We find difference di between A and each of xi. This is actually deviation of A from each of xi. Next step is to find product of di and fi and calculate summation fi di. Summation fi is 30 and summation fi di is 435. Next step is to calculate the mean of deviation by formula summation fi di upon summation fi. Upon simplification, we can see that mean of grouped data is equal to assumed mean plus mean of deviation. Upon substituting value, we get answer as 62. One more method to find mean of grouped data. This is called step deviation method. In this method, table up to di equal to xi minus a remains same. Next step is to find a factor h such that the values for di are all multiples of h. Here h is equal to 15 because the values in column di are all multiples of 15. Here we have to find ui, which is equal to xi minus a upon h. Next step is to find fi ui for each class interval and get the value of summation Fi ui. Let u bar be equal to summation Fi ui upon summation Fi. Since ui is equal to xi minus a upon h, hence, upon putting this value and simplification, we get x bar is equal to a plus h into u bar. Upon substituting the value of u bar and simplifying further, we get mean of grouped data as 62.